Hi. So today I'm going to speak about quick coherence technique, and I'm going to describe it and address some commonly asked questions with regard to it. So the quick coherence technique is a simple practice for to give oneself a sense of enlivened well-being and ease, and also to feel a sense of connection, joy, and love for the people or situation that you're in. It's a versatile technique, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. You can use it as a meditative practice. You can use it eyes open or eyes closed. You can use it whilst listening to another person. And as I said, you can use it anytime, first thing in the morning to last thing at night, or anywhere. So you can be in your living room, or you can be out in nature, or you could be at a business meeting. So it consists of three basic elements, three basic parts. The first part is called heart focus, and that simply means bringing attention to the area around the center of the chest. This is sometimes referred to as the energetic heart. And the second step is called heart focus breathing. And this simply means that you bring attention to the natural flow of air moving in and out through the center of the chest. The breath can be completely natural, and the only suggestion that I may add would be to maybe think of allowing it to be a little bit more slower and a little bit more a little deeper than usual. Now, these first two steps in themselves can be quite powerful. They can give you a sense of being energetically centered. When practiced sincerely, you can get quite a bit of instant relief from any distracting, unnecessary, or painful thinking. And physiologically, by practicing this with an element of stillness or silence, brings about a balance of the autonomic nervous system. So a balance between the two branches of the autonomic nervous system, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nervous system. The third step involves activating a renewing emotion, and this can be a range of feelings, essentially anything from a sense of ease and joy to a sense of connection, gratitude, or love. And with heart feeling, the idea would be to synchronize that feeling with the heart focus breathing. And that helps to activate further physiological changes which promote health and regeneration. So, those are the 3 simple steps: heart focus, heart breathing, and heart feeling. So some common questions in regard to quick coherence technique. Probably the most common question with any meditative practice is, what do I do with my thinking? Thinking is usually the main distraction, both in this technique and often in many aspects of life. So my response would be, firstly, in the form of a question. So do you need to think in order to feel a deeper sense of these feelings? And from my own practice, the deeper I can feel any one of those feelings, then naturally my thinking slows down and I start to feel better. So also if the thoughts are bubbling up, which they often do, then a good practice can be to take them with a sense of lightness. So you can have a sense of an inner smile or even an outer smile, and just keep bringing your attention back to your practice of synchronizing your breath with a renewing, a positive emotion. Another nice, commonly used metaphor would be to imagine that your awareness is that, is similar to a clear sky, and the thoughts that are within the sky are similar to clouds, rain, or airplanes just passing through. So the sky doesn't do anything to push away or suppress those clouds or any weather conditions. It simply allows them to be there. So by adopting a very open, light-hearted attitude towards the thoughts that are arising, it can be quite easy to sustain this practice. As I mentioned, I often this can be used in different contexts. I often find it useful as a listening practice to simply activate a sincere feeling towards the person I'm listening to, and synchronizing that feeling with my breath. and that often brings about a more harmonious encounter for both me and the person I'm listening to. So hope you appreciate this, and in the next video I'm just going to talk you through a guided quick coherence technique. I hope you enjoy.